Students, question number 8 is, if A is A, C, E and G, B is A, B, C, D and C is B, D, F, H, then verify A union B union C equals to A union B union C. In left hand side, firstly we have to solve B union C because it is between the small bracket, and then the answer will be solved with A. We know that in union we will write all the values of both the sets. So in B union C we will write the values of B as well as C, but only once, and then we will take the union with A. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, which are the members of A, B and C. In right hand side we will solve A union B first, and the answer will be solved with the set of C. Here A union B is A, B, C, D, E, G, and then we will solve it with the set of C, and we will get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, which is exactly the same as the above. Hence it is proved that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Students, solve part number 2 of question 8 by yourself. Now come to the question number 9, in which we have a set of whole number, that is universal set, and n the set of natural number, and then we have to verify the identity property, that is n in complement union n equals to u. In left hand side, firstly we have to solve n complement, which means we have to subtract n from u. We will write the whole number set, that is universal set, and it starts from 0, and then we will subtract natural number, it will start from 1. And we know that in complement we will write we will cancel the same elements, and only the element remain in the u universal set will be the answer. So here 0 is only the element that is left. Now we will take the union of n complement and n, and we will get all the element of n complement and n, which means that we will get all the whole numbers, and as above, whole number is the set of u. Now the second part is n complement intersection n, that is equals to null set. It is also a property, identity property. We will solve left hand side. Here n complement intersection n, we know how to solve n complement, u minus n. जब हम u को u के अंदर से n को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 0 रह जाएगा. And in intersection we know only the common element can be written, so there is nothing common, that is why null set or empty set is the answer, which is our right hand side, hence it's proved. Okay, the 10th question is, if u is A, B, C, D, E and A is A, B, C and B is B, D, E, then show via Venn diagram A complement. A complement is u minus A. We will draw the rectangular box which shows a universal set, and we will subtract the A, and the closed figure inside it is a set A, and we will shade all the area except A. A वाले को छोड़कर बाकी सारा एरिया शेड कर देंगे, जो कि हमें ये बताता है कि A के सारे एलिमेंट U में से कैंसिल कर दिए हैं, U के जितने एलिमेंट रह गए हैं वो शेडेड एरिया को शो करेंगे, और यही हमारा आंसर होगा. Question number 2 and question number 3 you have to solve by yourself. In question number 4 is A intersection B. In intersection we know only we will write the common element. Here B is the common element in both the sets. So we will draw an overlapping shape of A and B, and in overlapping region we will write B, and we shade only this region, because in intersection we shade the overlapping area, because this area is present in A as well as in B. I hope it's clear now. Allah Hafiz.